OMG, it works! I just tested this new strategy that is perfect for beginners. And thanks to this strategy, I could make several thousands. It's even more intriguing than modern digital currencies, not to mention stocks, which take years to grow. I found something even more interesting, and you don't have to wait that long. Today, I'll prove it to you using my new effective strategy with a 95% win rate. And the most exciting part? It's straightforward and accessible, even for beginners. Greetings, my trading Padawan, Master Evelyn am I. Welcome you, I do. I believe that even serious traders like me can have a little fun now and then. After all, when you've been doing what you love for 8 years in trading, at some point you really don't have anything left to prove to anyone, especially when you're pulling in over 8 million a year, right? So I've already got my favorite platform, Pocket Option, opened up here, but you can use whatever works best for you. Let's take a look at what's happening with the first pair. Oh, remember, always choose pairs with a high profit percentage. Let's take a close look at the chart. Interesting. Oh, here we invest $20 on a decrease, pressing lower. In such a scenario, our decision is influenced by the long upward trend in the market. But now, after a prolonged rise, the asset is overbought and a price decrease is expected. Awesome! We've got $38 in the account. Friends, this is a great start to our trading session, and I'm thrilled by the fact that during these live sessions, I can show you how I make the right market decisions. I hope this helps you boost your self-confidence, because if I could figure this all out on my own, so can every subscriber of my Telegram knows exactly when to enter a trade and when it's better to wait. You too can get access to the best daily profit tips. I've personally made over 10,000 trades with an 88.9% win rate. So my channel is all about professional advice and no useless theory. Find the link to the channel in the description below this video and in the pinned comment. Now I want to make a trade on the second pair. I'm planning to invest $38. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, right. Going lower. Look, you can see right here we've got a support line formed, and any slight rise gonna be stopped by the volume. The bulls just don't have the strength for a strong sustained upward trend. That was another great trade, friends. We're at $73. Moving on to the next pair. Now let's make a trade with a $73 investment. Let's see how I can increase my deposit on this pair. Checking out the chart. Right, we're going to invest in a decrease because this currency pair has started a new downward trend from the local maximum. Press lower. So now our account is at $140. We made bank because we nailed the local maximum. I get it. Figuring out the right entry points can be tricky for beginners. So if you've got any questions, shoot me a message on Telegram. We'll figure it all out together. Just follow the link. Last week was totally epic for me. On Thursday, I made 50 grand. I really wanted to share this strategy with my followers so that anyone can reach the same results, all from their phone, using the latest trading tools. It doesn't require any effort, and it's totally free. Just click the link in the description of this video and join my private trading club. The club is packed with useful information, perfect for beginners. I break down strategies, indicators, and show you what buttons to press. But the most important part is that host public live sessions where the club members copy my trades for free. Club members use my signals, copy my moves, and boost savings up to my level. During the last trading session, we made over 740,000. By the way, my current win rate is over 88%. Trust me, I know what I'm doing, and now I'm gonna prove it with a live session right here for you to see. Let's keep it rolling and make a trade with $140 on the fourth pair. So we see here, after some channel action, with the bullish volumes kicking in, the price is set to rise. Press higher. Four savvy moves boosted our $20, and now we've hit $269. Yeah, that's the beauty of binary options. You can start earning with small amounts. And I'm always thrilled to show you how. And of course, I love getting your likes. So go ahead and invest your likes right now. Hit that thumbs up. I'm really loving how we nailed the market's direction on the last pair. So let's boost our deposit even more and go for another trade. Investing $269. Okay, pay attention to the red candles. The bears have even more power, so on our time frame it makes more sense to invest in a decrease. Press lower right now. We are at $516, a perfect example of a profitable decision on a minute time frame. Let's make another trade, boosting our investment to $516. Key thing here is to consider our time frame again. Market volumes are low, so it makes total sense to invest our money in an increase. We go higher. Friends, this is really a great trade. We are at $991. Heck yes, trading isn't just about profit. Sometimes there are risky market situations, reversals and losing money. But even with all the risks, trading binary options is perhaps the only tool that allows to start with $20 and increase deposit almost 50 times. Available to anyone with internet access. All right, let's move on to the next pair. We're increasing our investment to $991. We've noticed that this pair has hit its local maximum. Recently, my Telegram subscribers and I discussed a similar market situation, and they already know that in this scenario, at our time frame and entry point, the smart move is to invest downward. Press lower. Awesome, I made $1,903. Nailed the local max and the perfect entry point. Remember, you have a free chance to simply copy my trades from my Telegram channel and make cash with me. Now let's make another trade with a grand. Okay, let's take a look. It's clear that this pair is in a very similar situation. The local max is forcing a price drop. Pressing lower right now. Well, that's another great deal for me. And now I have $2,823 in my account. Not bad. I'm ready to make another trade. The investment will again be a grand. Let's see what we have here. Okay, on this currency pair, the Bollinger Bands are indicating an upward market movement. Let's follow it. And let's invest on a rise right now. Press higher. Well, another good trade. As you can see, that was a reliable signal from our indicator. If you remember, I started with just $20 and now my account has $3,743. And let's make our final trade for today. Let's invest another grand. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on. Nice. We've got channel movement on the chart. And to follow the pattern, considering our entry point, we need to invest downward. Press lower. Great. Every member of my community has a unique opportunity to maximize their trading results and get everything they need for a dream life. Join my Telegram channel for free. Already 15,000 beginners and experienced traders are getting about 740,000 together every session. I personally explain to each subscriber how to use the trading platform, which buttons to press in detail, step by step, and completely for free. Subscribers simply copy the trades because they know my win rate is over 88%, which means the chances of making any mistakes are minimal. They constantly thank me for the help. Check out this feedback.
Thanks to your signals, thanks to your analysis.
She's basically changing my financial situations.
Thanks to the information that you share in the group.
I gotta say, I didn't know anything about trading.
So if you want to start your trading career, I highly recommend you to start following her and her signals.
Thank you for responding to my messages.
Her win rate is pretty crazy.
There's a lot of people that can prove it to you.
Thank you. Mwah.
And as you can see for yourself, trading and signals are not as complicated as they might seem when you have a mentor like me. All you need to do is repeat my signals as my subscribers do. They constantly get about 800 every session. Want to trade with me and get the same results? 2 simple steps. Join my Telegram channel, send me a direct message, click the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video, and get in on the action with us.